Always remember, God will give you direction about your situation, not confusion. God knows the right time, the right place, the right person, and the right answer to your prayers. Trust Him. Every time, I don't know how I'm going to make it, God shows up. Although prayers don't always get answered the way I want them to, God always delivers what I need. Be patient and trust God. Someday you will finally say, God, this is what I prayed for. Thank you.
Come with me, and you'll be in a world of your imagination. Reach out, touch what was once just in your imagination.
I'd like to be with you guys to talk about the morning. And it is Thursday, November the 7th, 2024. And welcome back to another episode of Wealth Wise Guru. And I'm your host, John Shaft. And as you can see this morning, the portfolio is up almost by $30,000. That's 23.34%. My net worth. My net worth this morning is $158,399. Let's scroll down. Stocks, I have 199 holdings. Value at 112,685. ETFs is at 6,286, and options are at 40 holdings at 37,000. Let's take a look at the options right quick. Options are up this morning at $18,929, and these are the options I have currently in place. And the investment app I am using is called Robinhood, and I am a big investor into Nvidia and Palantir technology, and also Alphabet. I think it's C. It's either A or either C. Google, Alphabet. Those are just a few of my high earning stocks that I'm heavy invested in. This is also a stock right here that's definitely has gone under the radar. Reddit Corporation. It's up today about $4.38, trading at $125.48 per share. And I don't have this actually in my equity folder, but I do have it in my option folder. And I can tell you I have made a tremendous amount of money on this stock, just adding it to my options. So it's a wonderful stock to also have in your portfolio. So I would strongly encourage you guys to, if you are investing in the market and you are doing by way of a investment app, to also add this app to your phone. Again, it's called ROI, and it goes well with any investment apps, and it gives you a better outlook, an outline of your personal portfolio. And let's look at the favorite traders this morning and see what they are doing. And first up is Warren Buffett of Berkshire Hathaway, and he's up nearly average just 8.9%. And Michael Burrow is up 28.5%, and Nancy Pelosi is up 22.3%. And Congress is my favorite strategy to use, and they are up this morning by $674. Tell you, this is a wonderful app to have to go along with your investment portfolio as well. So you guys make sure you get this and download it to your phone. And Palantir Technology is down by 71 cents this morning. It was actually up during the pre-market, but it's essentially since then has taken a little pullback. It was at 7,000 this morning, but now it's at 6,960. So you're missing out if you do not have Palantir Technology in your portfolio as well. And it's trading at this morning $54.84. And I have the stock when it was at $16. And this is one of those stocks what I'm telling you guys where you can buy and hold and wait for it to go up in value, and make a tremendous profit off of it. And that's what I have done. I don't have too many options on this particular company, but I do own 126 shares of it, and right now those shares are market value is $6,900 some dollars. It's in the negative this morning by $100 some dollars, but the total is in the plus column of $2,687, which is 63.49%. So yeah, this proves here that you do not just have to do option trading in order to make some money. You can just get your company that you are fond of and just buy and hold until it goes up in value. And then if you had to take profit off of it, you just take your profit off of it, but never sell your particular cash cow. You can keep it for as high of many years that you want. And of course, if you build it up to, you got 500 to 1,000 shares of it, then you can turn around and do what you call a poor man's strategy. Put a poor man's strategy on it, and that's called a cover call. And you can have yourself a nice little income just doing cover calls on such a stock like Palantir Technology, either Nvidia. You can either do a cover call, whether you think it's going up in value or whether you think it's going down. Either way, if you're doing a cover call, that means that you own at least 100%, 100 shares of that particular stock. And so anytime you're selling a stock, you could just a 100% profit for you, because you have ownership in it. And so let's take a look at the options this morning. There's quite a bit of green options this morning. We got a little red this morning. Red means that that's a little slight pullback, but still I'm making money. And this is like, when you have options like this in place, this is like having money in the bank, just waiting on you to come get it. And not only is like money in the bank, but it's constantly growing and getting bigger each day without me doing anything to it. I just sit here and watch it and make sure none of it is going bad. If it goes bad or go against me, then I know I need to come up with a different strategy. Either maybe sell it, buy it, or either roll it out into another position. And most of the time I roll it into another position. And you do that by clicking on another date, and then you click another striking point, and you can roll it out roll out a particular stock as long as you like. Because remember, when trading the market, you have what you call taxes on capital gain taxes on this money. So you can roll out a position and keep on rolling. You can keep on rolling it out to eternity, thereby avoiding having to pay taxes because you didn't collect that money. You just kept on rolling it. Because you're gonna have to be accountable for your taxes when you get into trading in the market, because this is not normal for people to the average person to have such a high income like this. So you're going to be hit with capital gain taxes, and you're probably going to need to hire yourself an accountant once your portfolio get big enough. You're going to need to hire yourself an accountant, somebody that you can trust, and somebody that keep you up to date on your taxes. And that's the beauty about having Trump back in office. For one, he's a Republican, and two, his tax policy was probably going to be upgraded, and he's going to and that's going to continue. So that's a great profitabilities and success and earnings in the market for at least the next 4 years, just by having him in office. As you can see, Google was up this morning at a little over $18,000. I have 101 shares of it as well. And as you can see, over a period of time, these shares, when you have 100 of them, they become very expensive. So if you turn around and went and try to buy 100 shares of Google today, it will cost you $18,000 or more. So what you do, you just buy a little bit over time, and you build it up, and you build it up over a time span. you give yourself just 2-3 years of doing this, and your portfolio will be you'll have a nice size portfolio. Just all depends on what you are investing, how much you are investing in each month. An ideal investment portfolio should at least consist of $1,000 a month of investing if you are a serious investor. And if you can't afford $1,000 a month, then go half, go 500. And if you can't go 500, go go 250. 250 should be doable for everybody. And if it's not, then go to 150. Well, the point is to get started somewhere and start building generational wealth. And it's not a quick get rich scheme or overnight scheme. It takes time. And if you are a really young person, you have nothing but time on your hands when it comes to building and establishing generational wealth, especially if you're under 30. Let's take a look at Pioneer this morning. It's at $54. It's down by $1.45 this morning. And so you don't worry about when you have a stock like this and it's down. You're not losing. You're not losing money when it's down, as long as you do not sell. If your portfolio is down and then you decide to sell it while it is in the red, then you are locking in your losses because you sold it when it was down. So if you want to sell something, you have to make sure that it's in the what you call the green column. And the green column means that it's is being profitable for today, or means that it is up for today. And red don't necessarily mean it is down, but what red means is that it is on sale, and you should be buying more of it if you want to continually to build generational wealth. And so I'm not going to make this such a long video today. And we are up this morning. Well, sometimes I forget how many holdings I have in my portfolio. As you can see, I have quite a bit. That's because I do this on a full-time basis. And even though I do it on a full-time basis, it doesn't take me all day to do it. So throughout the day, I come back and watch and see what my portfolio is doing, but it's not necessary for me to sit here and watch it all day. Most of the time when I'm doing option trading, and I'll watch it throughout the day. Because options can move pretty fast. And as long as it's doing green and nothing significantly happening with that particular company that you are investing in, you can probably just mostly just let everything ride. But like I said, you want to keep a little bit more of a close eye on your options, because they can go bad and go bad in a hurry. So the main thing is to learn how to control your losses, manage and control your losses. And you manage and control your losses, just not letting it just continue to lose money, but you are, like I said, you roll out of a position into another position. And if you're gonna get notification across your phone what your options are doing. And usually I'm ready to change strategies of a particular option if it's 50% loss. If I see you get 50% loss, even when it's 20%, they put me on notice to look at it. When it's down 50%, I definitely need to do something about that particular option when it's say 50%. When it get down 20 and 25%, you need to move. You need to move on it and move on it in a hurry. When you get down that low, you still have a little bit of money that you can do something with without it being a total loss. And we are up this morning about $711. We're trading at $27,952. And by me being above $25,000, now the day trading restrictions has been lifted against me, so I can day trade as often as I like. And so if you're doing day trading, then that's going to also cause your attention. And day trading usually, if you're going to day trade, you usually get up and start around 4 o'clock in the morning. By 9, 10 o'clock, you should be finished. Day trading about 9, 10 o'clock, you should be at least made $1,000 or $1,500, and then you have the rest of your day free to yourself. And again, you are viewing another episode of Wealth Wise Guru. I'm your host, John Shaft, and I think that's going to bring an end to today's video. I thank you guys for tuning in, and if nothing else significantly happens in the day that will affect the market, then I will see you guys again on Friday morning at the opening of the bell. Until then, may all your trades be a good one. Have a safe and prosperous day. Hit the like button, share button, and subscribe to the channel. And we will see you guys again on Friday morning. I'm John Shaft, your host, the Wealth Wise Guru. Again, we thank you for watching.
To the person watching this, I want to see you win. I want to see you smash every single dream you have. I want to see you overcome all of the barriers you face. I wish for your success, and trust me, I want to see you succeed.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I said it, we are. This is Rock Nation. Pledge your allegiance.